With this video, I want to teach you Kilo strategy from Michel ICT, guys. With this strategy, you can make high reward and high win rate on 1 minute time frame on Dow Jones, S&P 500 or Nasdaq. Let's go and start tutorial. Guys, stay with us until the end of video for learning all tips about this strategy. For the first thing about this strategy, we want to use New York time zone. Put our time zone on New York, and after that we want to use one indicator. We search for session by looks algo, and we want to change this setting. We want to use 2 session, guys, and make these sessions to this hour, guys. And after that, this UTC, we want to use New York time zone 2. You can see here this position with this candle can make high reward, and this position today can make high reward too, guys. After that, for this strategy with this indicator, mark 2 sessions for us. Before this session, we want to use resistance and support zone, guys. Here, for example, where is that support zone? We have one support zone here, and people make long position on support zone, put our stop under this zone. For example, here, before this session, people open long position on the support zone and put a stop behind this zone. After that, when the session was opened, we want to see the liquidity behind support or resistance zone was hot. After fake breakout, we can open long position like this position for reward, guys. Let's see another example together. Guys, subscribe our channel, like this video, and write your all question under this video. For example, here, before the first session, we have one support zone here. Here, our stop loss was filled with this fake breakout. But here, before this session, we have one zone here and one zone here. We can open short position with this fake breakout and open long position with this fake breakout too. Let's see. Here, we can make high reward with this strategy, guys. For this strategy, we can use 3R, guys. Here too, you can see with this fake breakout, we can open short position here with the first session, and we can make this gain. Let's see another example together. Here too, you can see before the session was open, we have one support zone. The support zone, below the support zone, we have so many liquidity. Price came back and hunted liquidity, and we can open long position and put our stop behind this zone for make high reward and high win rate, guys. We can use this strategy on Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P 500, guys. Here too, you can see we have one support zone here, and here price came back and fake breakout this zone and make bullish trend. We can join in on this new trend with this strategy, guys. Here you can see we have so many TP with this strategy. Have a good time. Goodbye.